Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Harris back with this week with another episode of Research That Matters TV. When you're under the weather and just trying to get through the day, necessities like food are often the last things on your mind. You just want to feel better. And honestly, even your favorite foods seem unappetizing when your nose is clogged, your throat is sore, and you just can't even taste a thing. However, making it a point to eat healthy foods while you're sick can help speed up your recovery and help you to stay healthier longer. Foods fuel your body, and especially when you're sick, it's important to give your digestive system a break by eating easily digestible, nutrient-dense foods. You'll recover faster and your immune system will become stronger. So here's a few ideas on how to get started. So first thing is, start with soup, as bone broth contains minerals that help boost your immune system. Consider adding yogurt with probiotics can help improve your sleep, digestion, and overall immunity, or just taking a refrigerated probiotic will help with this also. Stick to lean meats as always, especially those with an omega-3 fatty acid, which can help reduce any nagging inflammation. Those same healthy foods that help you recover faster can keep you feeling and functioning better all year round. So this week, try creating a simple calendar outlining your meals. Emphasize healthy, home-cooked meals which will strengthen your immune system and possibly even save you money. Now the key to this to make it work is that we have to plan ahead, prepare that calendar, and be ready so that when we get sick the next time, or if we're dealing with sickness, that we have a better plan moving forward. And finally, don't forget to join us with this month's free workshop, where we'll highlight more great nutrition advice to help you on your journey to a better immune system in 2020. Have a great week, and we'll see you again next week.